sa mga batang manonood.
Ang nakaraan sa Pinoy Big Brother Lucky Season 7, naging matagumpay ang sakripisyo ni Will para sa kaibigang si Luis. Kaya naman ang nanguulilang anak muling nakaramdam ng pagmamahal ng ama.
Papa to, I love you, son. Nasa isip kita, nasa puso kita.
You know it, bro. You know it. That's why it's so important to me, man. It all makes sense now, huh?
Abangan ngayong gabi. Sa araw ng pagpapasalamat, si Luis naman ang may sorpresa para kay Will.
Ngayong gabi, bibigyan mo ng pagkakataon si Will na makasama ang kanyang pamilya sa isang Thanksgiving meal.
Enjoy.
Namimiss na kita, Will.
At pakatutukan din dahil mangyayari na ang kiling ni Tanner na makasama ang kapatid. Sa kanilang pagkikita, ano ang haharapin na hamon ng dalawa?
You will switch places with Tyler. You will have to make your housemates believe that nothing has changed.
Doble-doble ang mga dapat niyong abangan dito pa rin sa Pinoy Big Brother Lucky Season 7. Matapos ang maging daan para muling makabalita sa kanyang ama, si Luis patuloy pa rin ang pasasalamat kay Will.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Damn. Hey, thanks for all, man. Just want to let you know if time comes, I'd return the favor in any way possible. In and out of this house. In and out. Got you, brother. I got you.
Dahil sa pagnanais na pasalamatan ang kaibigan, lumapit si Luis kay Kuya.
Gusto ko pong makapagpasalamat, Kuya, kay Will. So, kung mabibigyan niyo po ako ng tsansa, magiging masaya po ako, tsaka gusto ko po yan.
Sige, bibigyan kita ng pagkakataon na magawa ito.
Okay po.
Sa darating na Thanksgiving ay hindi makakasama ng pamilya niya si Will. Pero ngayong gabi, bibigyan mo ng pagkakataon si Will na makasama ang kanyang pamilya sa isang Thanksgiving meal. At magaganap ito sa pamamagitan ng social media. Hindi mo maaaring sabihin ito sa kanya at sa ibang housemates maliban sa isa mong kasama.
Okay po.
Na makakatulong mo.
Okay po.
Paglabas ng confession room, pasimple na itong dumiskarte ng ihahandang pagkain.
Hey, pasta ba tayo?
Meron!
Wala tayong sauce.
Meron! Meron spaghetti.
Spaghetti? Ako? Ngayon na?
Sunod niyang kinausap ang napiling makakatulong para sa sorpresa.
I need your help. May task ako. Para makapag-return ako ng favor kay Will. Kailangan natin maganda ng Thanksgiving meal sa kanya. Kasi magkaka-Thanksgiving meal niya yung family niya. So, nag-provide si Kuya ng roasted chicken. Kapag naluto yung spaghetti, dahil medyo healthy si Will, anuhan na rin natin na mashed potato tsaka stir-fry na vegetables. Alam mo yun, di ba? Parang American meal talaga.
Agad nang sumimple ang dalawa sa kusina.
Nag-mashed potato po, tapos papayag ko sila na yan. Mag-midnight snack nga po ng pasta.
At nang handa na ang pagkain, bumalik si Luis kay Kuya.
Ready na po yung pagkain po para kay Will, Kuya.
May inihanda rin ako na mga gamit para sa pagdadausan ng Thanksgiving dinner.
Pagbalik sa loob ng bahay, dumiskarte ulit si Luis para maihanda ang lahat.
Para ano ka, social media. Ito ka. May ano naman na siya.
Nang tapos na ang dinner setup, tinawag na ni Aura si Will.
The heck? What's going on?
It's for you, brother. That's for you.
Oh, you know what's going on?
Yeah, well, nagpatulong ako kay Aura. Sabi ko kay Kuya, gusto kong makapag-thank you sa'yo more than words. Kasi parang feeling ko, with what you did, parang di enough yung thank you, bro. Kasi you sacrificed a lot. Gusto ko lang makapag-thank you
Just enjoy the food. Just enjoy the food. There's more, huh? There's more.
I'm so excited.
But if you know. So, enjoy. Eat that. Eat.
I'm just shocked. Like, ano nangyayari dito ngayon?
At nang maiwan ng mag-isa si Will,
This is just me here. Parang yung sarili kong Thanksgiving, may mashed potatoes pa.
hanggang sa nagsimula na ang mas malaking sorpresa para sa kanya.
What's up, Dad? What's up, buddy? Hey. What's up, Mom?
No way! It's Thanksgiving? Is it Thanksgiving right now? That is great! That's one of the biggest things we celebrate, me and my family. Pinangako ko sa kanila na I'd be home for Thanksgiving kasi 3 taon na ako nandito sa Pilipinas. Then bigla nandito ako. Pero, you know, naintindihan nila. How are you guys?
Hey, we're doing great. Mom and I are here. The table's set.
Once I saw the food and then nandiyan yung nanay ko, and I just missed her house and her warm cooking and her love.
Oh, man. I don't even know what to... I'm so shocked.
Man, Luis got me back. I love it. It means so much to me. Man, Dad, I did a crazy task today. It was probably one of the hardest things I've done physically in my entire life. I just want you to know you're my inspiration to really complete these tasks and get through it all. This mentality to fight and never give up, and you're actually my superhero.
That's huge for you to say that to me, Will.
Yeah, man.
Thanks, kid.
I love you guys so much. I love you, Dad. I love you, Mom.
Hey, we like seeing you smiling and happy, and we especially like seeing you eat.
Namimiss na kita, Will. Iiyak ako kahapon, naalala ko nung maliit ka pa.
Ba't umiiyak ka, Nay?
Paano nakita ko yung kama mo, wala nang laman dito sa taas.
Oh my gosh.
Hanggang sa oras na para magpaalam muna si Will.
Alright, guys. Looks like time's up.
We love you. We're happy to talk to you.
Love you, Will.
Good job completing that challenge and giving it your all. Way to go.
I can see how happy they are, and I can feel that they are proud of me. And so, salamat kuya for that. And salamat, Luis. Thank you for inspiring me. Mom, I love you more than anything in the world. I miss you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys. Bittersweet talaga, kuya, kasi na-miss ko sila talaga. And I just have this warm feeling talaga.
Love you. Bye.
Love you guys. Bye. If only they could just come here and I can hug them physically and just be with them. Pero higit sa lahat, you know, I think it gives me inspiration. It really inspires me.
Sunod-sunod nga ang masasayang family moment sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya mula kay Luis at ang kanyang ama, papunta na rin sa Thanksgiving family dinner ni Will. At ngayong gabi, isa pang kapamilya ng isa nating housemate ang dadalaw sa loob ng bahay. Ano kayang kalituhan ang magaganap sa pagdating ng kambal ni Tanner na si Tyler? Baka tutukan yan maya-maya lang. Magandang gabi, Team Kapamilya. Ang dami pang kaganapan ang kailangan nating abangan at isa na nga dito ang first adult eviction night. Sino kaya kina Cora, Luis, Huy at Will ang lalabas ng bahay? Yan ang ating aabangan bukas. At kung excited ang sambayanan sa resulta ng eviction night, isang bagay naman ang pinaka-aabangan ni Tanner. Noong nagdaang linggo nga ay isang matinding hamon sa labas ng bahay ang hinarap niya kapalit ng isang bagay mula kay Kuya.
Do you miss him?
Yeah, I really do miss him. I look up to him because he's everything I'm not.
Are you willing to do anything to see your brother?
Siempre, Kuya.
At matapos nga niyang mapagtagumpayan ng task ngayong gabi, mangyayari na ang kanyang pinakahihintay na muling makasama ang kanyang kambal. Pero mukhang may hamon muna silang haharapin. Narito ang kwento. Sa loob ng bahay, ipinatawag ni Kuya si Tanner sa confession room.
Matutupad ang kasunduan natin. Gusto kong ipaalam sa'yo. Makikita mo na si Tyler.
Good. We only see each other as much as we can. If I don't know, as soon as we both started international modeling, the only time we really see each other is if we go back home at the same time, which is very rare.
Magpapakita ako ng litrato niya.
It looks like Minnesota. Probably the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport.
That was taken a few minutes before he boarded the plane
Oh, really?
bound to Manila.
Well, it's first time here. He's never been here before.
That makes it even more special and is coming here for you, Tanner.
I'm very excited.
You will be with him here in my house. Kasabay ng pagbisita niya rito sa bahay ko, isang task ang ibibigay ko sa inyo. Hindi siya dapat makilala ng mga housemates mo because you will switch places with him.
That'd be kind of crazy.
Sa loob ng bahay, ang walang malay na si Baninay nakatitig naman sa litrato ng kambal.
Gwapo talaga. Gwapo. Sobrang gwapo.
Mas gwapo pa kay Tanner.
Hindi na sa picture na rin. Pero ako lang sa personal dahil si Tanner sobrang gwapo kaysa dito. Sa personal.
Maya-maya, nagpa-cute naman ito kay Tanner, suot ang wig ni Luis.
The hair color is okay, no? It makes me whiter. Looks whiter. Yeah?
You look like,
I look like, wait, Madonna?
this doll.
Doll?
Yeah.
Wow! First time! What kind of doll?
A voodoo doll.
At least dal, di ba?
Kinagabihan, muling kinausap ni Kuya si Tanner.
Tanner, tomorrow morning, darating na ang kapatid mo. I want you to make sure that this is going to be successful. This task is very important. Kung maging matagumpay kayo sa inyong task, makakatulong si Tyler sa inyong lucky task.
He's as tall as me, so it'll definitely help. If he's with me, we can lift people higher.
Bukas ng umaga, ang kapatid mo ang manggigising sa iyo through a radio or a walkie-talkie.
Okay.
Kinakailangan ikaw ang maunang gumising sa lahat ng mga housemates mo.
Could sleep somewhere else. In the living room.
Okay? Thank you.
Sama kuya.
Nang oras na para matulog, pasimple ng dumiskarte si Tanner.
Yung akin.
Tanner, what are you doing on the floor?
He's sleeping on the floor tonight.
I don't think he's gonna let us sleep anymore.
Night, Tanner.
Hi, man.
At nang himbing na ang mga kasama, kinabukasan, habang himbing pa si Tanner, maagang dumating ng bansa ang kanyang kambal na si Tyler. Bago tuluyang pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya, nagkaroon muna siya ng interview para sa PBB Online. Huwag kayong mamamalik mata dahil hindi siya si Tanner Mata, kundi siya ang twin brother na si Tyler Mata! Hi, Tyler! You're identical twins, but I can instantly see the difference.
Yeah.
Tyler is the older one by 10 minutes. Tanner is the more shy one. Did it surprise you that he wanted to become a housemate?
It did, and we talked about it. He's a little nervous about being on the show and being recorded all the time, but I told him just to relax and be himself.
Well, I'm sure lahat ng mga sumusubaybay sa Pinoy Big Brother ngayon pa lang ay pumipili na kayo, Tanner ba o Tyler? But between the two of you, what are your similarities?
Similarities, well, we're both very competitive, and
Brother inside the confession room that he looks up to you because you're everything he's not.
Really?
Yes, he says
That's
that.
sweet of him.
How does that make you feel?
What makes me feel, it's really nice to hear because I look at him the same way. You know, he's everything I'm not as well. He's very humble, he's quiet, he's, you know, well reserved, he's very, you know, caring. He just the way he carries himself, I wish I could be more like that. Just very sweet to people. Yeah.
But how close are you?
Oh, we're very close. You know, we grew up together. We always, up until we were probably 10 or 12, we shared a room. Yeah, we shared a room. So we did everything together. And even after that, we always had the same group of friends. We always hung out.
Well, I'm sure you're excited to see Tanner inside
very
the house. But who else among the other housemates are you excited to meet?
From what I've watched, I like to meet Benina. She seems funny. What I've watched, she seems very funny. And Will as well.
Will.
Yeah.
Tyler, are you ready to go inside the Big Brother house?
I'm ready.
Okay, so this is part of it. I have to put a blindfold on you. Ang tangkad niya. Okay. Tyler, we will be rooting for you. Susunod ang muling pagkikita ni Tanner at Tyler.